Danny with the Giants.
Ba? Ay, short person. So, Danny.
Bakit wala kang apakan? Hindi mo pinakabit?
Hindi mo binabayan ang pakanan.
Ah, you don't like?
This is report of event 208. Swimming in lane 0 was set up in Daily Street, illustrating aquatic. Lane 1, Center, Patricia, lane B, illustrating aquatic. Lane 2, Parademic, International School, Manila. Lane 3, Gonzalo Sophia, CR Tribes, Philippines. Lane 4, Hugh Jackson, Isaiah, Golden Sea Eagles. Lane 5, Usman Daniel Allison, Pakilala Swim Club. Lane 6, Ian and Maria Victoria, CN Type Swim Team. Lane 7, Rivera Anna and Illustrious Aquatic. Lane 8, Ferdinand Serra, International School, Manila. Lane 9, Lubana Altea Nicolette, Illustrious Aquatic.
Banat. Yan na, banat.
Go, Danny!
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
Go, Danny!
Go! Go, 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 go!
Go, Danny!
Laki nung katabi niya, no? Go, 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 go! Kaya mo yan! Ay, bumagal.